We are on Allure of the Seas, one of Royal Caribbean's Oasis Class ships, and we are on deck 10 in room number 500, and we're going to show you all the things. This is a pretty nice room. It's long and narrow, and we're going to show you all the features, starting with, this is the bathroom door. This is the thermostat, warmer to cooler. This is the master switch. If you turn this off, it will turn off all your lights and your air conditioning. So you're better off to just turn these two lights off if you want to turn off all the lights. I'll show you. See, but the AC stays on. This is the bathroom light. So let's go check out the bathroom. Full length mirror. And dun, 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 a little bathroom with a little side sink. It's oval. This isn't bad for hand washing clothes. It's just not very deep. But let's check out all the features of the bathroom. We have 3 little cubbies and a very little drawer that we haven't used. A small shelf, one below that also has the trash can. We have, of course, the flush. And then there's this cabinet underneath the sink, which again, we have not used at all. We have hand towels and bath towels. Royal Caribbean also has a Save the Waves program. So there are these 2 hooks here, plus 3 hooks on the door that I'll show you when we're heading out of the bathroom. So if you don't want your towels washed, you just hang them up, and if you do want them washed, you just put them on the floor and your stateroom attendant will replace your towels. We have a shower. Here are 2 hooks. We have a little basket, which we have some toiletries and razors here. We have this shower head comes off, but unlike other ships, it does not go up or down. So it's just take it off or hang it up. But it does tilt. I did discover that. We have the Salt and Breeze 2-in-1 hair shampoo and body wash. We have a grab bar, also a bar to put your leg on, ladies, if you're gonna want to shave your legs. We have temperature control dial here, which the water gets incredibly hot, and then this is to turn the water off and on. Here are the 3 hooks on the door that I was telling you about. We of course have our bathrobe, one of the bathrobes hanging here, but we could also hang up towels. Now we'll move a little further into the room. I already showed you the full-length mirror. We also have an itty-bitty shelf here, and then we have 2 things to put papers. This is where the menu, room service menu is, and there were hang cards in there for breakfast, but we've used them all. Now, this is the closet, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cubbies, I'm gonna call them. These cubbies are actually pretty deep, so we have not had an issue with storing our clothes. There's this Marshall's Technology stuff here, and shoes. As you can see, we have a shelf above, which I've put a hat up there. There's also life vest and laundry bag. This is where I've been putting my hanging space. Marshall's is on this end. There's also another bar here if you wanted to do double hanging, but we usually leave that up. Plenty of space. We just didn't bring a lot of things on this trip. We're trying to pack less. Now, on each side of the bed, we have a sconce and a 3-shelf table, which is not my favorite. I prefer drawers to keep things neat, and you will see my side of the bed, it's got stuff on the shelves, so it doesn't look neat. It is a little tight here between the bed and the closet. The room beside us is room number 502, and its bed is down there where we have our vanity. So I'll show you that in a second, our vanity. But we personally think if we were to book one of these rooms again, we'd probably book 502 because you would have a little more walking space here when you first walk in, and also in front of the closet, because their vanity is right here instead of the bed that comes way out. This is a king size bed, which is really 2 singles pushed together, which of course they can separate for you. See what I'm talking about with my side of the bed? I've got my meds here, I've got my iPad, I've got my book. It's just a little messy, and I like my messes contained. We have a sofa here that's actually pretty long and pretty comfortable. It seems that it does not pull into a bed, just to let you know. And then on the other side of the room here, we have the vanity set up. We have a TV with that swivels that we have not used. There is a shelf here which we like to put our sunglasses on. Marshall uses it as a drop zone. We have a lighted mirror. The switch for that is here. We have, of course, the fridge, which has done a pretty good job. Not freezing cold, but cold enough. In this top drawer, there is a hair dryer, and then there are 2 other drawers that are much deeper than that top drawer. This is my tech drawer. Then over here we have this little tiny narrow cabinet that actually has been working quite nicely for some miscellaneous things. And again, see, I like to have my messes contained, so that's useful. And then there's one more cabinet here, which is uber tiny. If I was a kid, I'd want to hide some of my toys in there. What I like about this room is that you have 3 American outlets here. Now, we're used to seeing a couple of American outlets and a Euro outlet. There is not a Euro outlet here, but I have been working on YouTube videos here at this desk, and I always use this Euro adapter just because I have a lot more space to plug things in. So down under the desk there is another outlet, and then this is the Euro. So that's where I plug in my devices, and then Marshall uses these outlets here. Now, if you teach a yoga class or you just want to do yoga in your room, this is the room for you. Look at all this space. There's literally so much space. I think it would be so nice if there were 2 chairs here that would be perfect. There's a beautiful large window here, which right now we have the curtains closed because it's after dark at the moment, and there is a very clear sign, and we were advised also by our room attendant to be sure to close the curtains at night because the light can interfere with navigation on the bridge above. So it's closed right now, but we will insert footage of what it looks like in the day because it's a very nice big window, and we've enjoyed looking out. We are directly over the front of the ship. The helipad is right beneath us. It's been a great view. We've enjoyed looking out, see where we're going, watching the flag being taken up and down when we're in port. We just have some little organizational stuff here. I just think this is such a great room. It just would be so much greater if there was some seating over here. But yeah, that's our room, 10,500. And we have really enjoyed this cabin. And yeah, stick around for a lot more footage from Allure of the Seas. Thanks for watching.